Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. We're going to talk about the mini dash key today, just to change the battery on it. Very straightforward and simple operation. I'm just going to quickly show you. So if you have this dash key, this is mainly for the Mini Coopers from 2008 up until 2015, models like Clubman, Countryman, Coupe, Hatch and Paceman. They all have this key. So you have the battery located in here inside, and you just have to quickly undo the tab there, and the battery is in. You just change the battery like so. You pick up the battery, you put it inside with the positive up. You make sure it's centered, and then you put the cap on. You will notice that goes, if it's aligned perfectly here, it will just go into place and click. Okay, now it's back in place, and the key is ready to go for your car. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or assistance, you have our contact numbers on there. More than welcome to help. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Thank you.